Hello. It's Nova. I'm glad you're here tonight. Before anything else, I want you to notice something about your mind right now, that faint hum of busyness that doesn't quite switch off, even now that you've stopped scrolling, stopped checking, stopped refreshing. That hum is allowed to be here. We're not going to fight it. We're just going to give it somewhere quieter to go. Let your body settle into wherever you're lying. Let your eyes soften even before they close. Take a slow breath in and let it out longer than it came in. One more time, slower still. Tonight, I want to take you somewhere your notifications can't follow. Picture yourself stepping away from everything that's been asking for your attention today. The screens, the endless small updates, the constant low static of information that never quite stops arriving. Imagine setting all of it down, gently, like setting down a bag you didn't realize had gotten so heavy. You start walking down a quiet forest path, the noise growing fainter with every step, like a radio signal slowly losing reception until there's nothing left but silence and birdsong. The trees here are tall and close together, moonlight finding soft patches on the mossy ground. With each step, you notice your shoulders dropping a little further, your jaw and clenching, your eyes no longer darting from thing to thing, but settling, softening, taking in only what's actually in front of you. There's no feed to scroll here, no updates. Waiting, just the path, the trees, and the quiet. After a while, the trees open into a small clearing, and you step into it slowly, almost cautiously, the way you'd step into a room that feels sacred somehow. In the center, a gentle waterfall flows over smooth, moss-covered rocks into a still, clear pool, catching soft light from somewhere you can't quite locate. Moonlight, maybe, or something gentler. The sound of the water is steady and unhurried, a soft, continuous rush that seems to fill the space where all that noise used to live in your mind. You find a smooth rock near the edge of the pool and sit down, letting the sound wash over you. You notice, almost immediately, how different this quiet feels from the silence of a dead phone battery or an empty room. This isn't an absence of noise. It's a different kind of sound altogether. One that doesn't demand anything from you, doesn't need a response, doesn't come with a red notification dot. You could stay here as long as you needed to, and nothing would be waiting for you when you got back except exactly what was there before. As you sit by the water, notice if your mind is still trying to check something, an old habit, reaching for a phone that isn't there, refreshing a feed that doesn't exist in this clearing. That's all right. That habit took a long time to build, and it won't disappear in one evening. Instead of fighting the urge, picture it like a small ripple on the surface of the pool. It appears, it moves outward, and then it settles, smooths over, disappears. You don't have to chase it or scroll through it. You just have to let it pass. The way water always eventually goes still again. The waterfall keeps its steady rhythm behind you, patient, unbothered, existing completely without an audience, the way it has for longer than any notification has existed. There's something quietly reassuring in that. Some things don't need your attention to keep being beautiful. Your breathing slows, matching the water's rhythm without you trying. And as the water falls, as it settles into stillness below,